Hey everyone, so I have an exciting video for you today. Now, it's a mail video. Why am I excited about a mail video? Is because we got some new stuff from Proven Winners, specifically some 7 new varieties of seeds that they came out with. Now, before I talk about the seeds, I have another product that I do want to show you that I'm excited about, and it's their new Eco Pots. So these Proven Winners seed starting Eco Pots are actually pretty amazing the way they're made. They're compostable and self-feeding. The cool thing about it is that it's made of a polylactic acid, which is made from renewable starchy plants that are broken down into sugars and made into this type of plastic. The other cool thing about it is that they're able to put in nutrients into the actual container when it's actually made, so when it breaks down, it feeds those plants. Now, what are the benefits of having these? The biggest benefit of having this is causing less stress to your plants once you're ready to transplant them outside into the garden or the container. And the reason for that is, and I'm going to do it here, is all you do is when you're ready to transplant this out is you break the tabs here on the side. You can see the way I broke that. You just break the tabs here on the side. You throw the whole tab into your planting hole, your container, wherever you're actually going to put the plant, and you just stick the whole thing inside the container of the ground, and this thing is going to break down over a period of time with heat and moisture, and that's it. You have nothing to worry about, no stress on the plants, nothing crazy happening. So you have that confidence of knowing that all you did was take this container, put it in the ground, and you're letting your plant grow, and it's getting fed because of the nutrients that are in here, and it's completely compostable. Awesome product. It's pretty neat the way they're made. For more information, you can go to the website and read a lot of the facts about it. But I'm pretty excited about using these because that means, again, I'm not going to have to mess with the plants at all. I just take this whole container and plant it wherever I'm going to have these plants growing. So I keep throwing the word exciting out there, but what's not to be excited about new products, especially these new seeds? I'm excited to get these into the garden because we've all seen the tomatoes from Proven Winners that we've grown here in our garden. And so they've come out with 2 new tomatoes that I'm excited to grow. The first one is called Patio Sunshine. This is going to be a smaller cocktail tomato that you're going to be able to put in a small container. It's almost like the good-hearted tomato where it grows in a small size shrub, like a very small shrub. This is going to grow pretty much the same, a patio-sized tomato. And then they have a new Bellini tomato. Make sure I said that right, Bellini, because I said it wrong a couple times already. But this is going to be more of a vining tomato, which grows about 30 to 40 inches. And it's a smaller size tomato as well, almost like a cocktail tomato. So I'm excited to try these new tomatoes. Another thing they came out with, which is pretty exciting, is called Pesto Besto. Now, we've all seen Amazel basil, and that thing grows really huge. This one grows about 30 inches. It's not going to get as huge as the Amazel basil until we actually see it growing in the garden. It probably will, but it's about 30 inches tall. But I'm excited to try this Pesto Besto because it's a new basil that they're providing in seeds. And I know every seed that they actually provide and they're putting out, along with the other plants, are going to be up to par with what people actually want to grow in the garden. The newest one that we're excited to grow is Dragon's Tongue bush beans. Now, we haven't really grown bush beans in the garden because we just haven't had the space or the area to actually grow any beans, but I'm excited to try these. These actually look pretty cool. So again, we're going to plant these later and we'll keep you updated on what they look like. Now, some other things that I'm excited about that they actually included is the strawberries. Now, they sell the strawberries in 4.25 inch containers, but they've actually come out with seeds for these strawberries, the whole Berry Treasure line. And we're all familiar with the pink one and the red one, but they also have a Berry Treasure White, which produces white flowers. So we're excited to get all these growing in the garden and excited to give you guys updates on what they're going to look like throughout the season. So a lot of neat stuff in this mail call, and we just can't wait to get started with this stuff. But before we go, I want to give you some information on the Eco Pots and the seeds. You can go onto the Proven Winners website and take a look at the Eco Pots and the seeds. They do have them separately. You can buy the Eco Pots by themselves, or you can buy the seeds by themselves, or better yet, you can buy the Eco Pots in combination with some of the seeds. I know they have the original seed that they came out with, the 3 tomatoes and the Faraway Hot and Heavy Pepper. You can buy the Eco Pots with the new strawberries, or you can buy the Eco Pots with the new Pesto Besto, the beans, and the new 2 tomatoes that they have. But definitely go out there, check them out, and for updates and everything that we're doing here, you can take a look at us on Instagram at GardenObsessions or on YouTube at GardenObsessions. And that's going to do it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.